Hi Cooking with Addie family, welcome back to another video. So today I show you how I make my stir fry Indomie noodles. To start off, these will be the ingredients I'll be using today. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my vegetables that I'm going to be using. Now this is a food that I make when I'm lazy, okay? So this is very easy and I hope you guys try this at home. Right? Like it's filled with so much flavor. It is so good. So I'm going to go ahead and start chopping my veggies that I'm going to be using for my noodles. So guys, stick and stay. Like don't go anywhere. If your man or your sister or your family member, anyone is calling you, tell them Cooking with Addie has posted and you have to watch this recipe. So yeah, this is me trying to put my onions on the plate nicely. So do this at home, guys. Try this at home. And so we're gonna repeat this process for all of the veggies that I'm going to be using in my noodles. So keep watching, guys. I checked on my noodles and they were cooked, so I decided to strain it. And guys, I use cold water, okay, to rinse it just so it doesn't stick together. We're getting to the real deal. I poured oil in a hot pot and then I went in with the veggies that we had prepped earlier. Hey, I hope you guys are still watching. You don't want to miss any stuff. So yeah, these is where all of my ingredients, my veggies were going into the pot. So make sure you stir for about 2 minutes, okay? Don't stir for too long. I also poured in some eggs until like that egg cook and then scrambled it. So here we're gonna pour in our noodles and then mix everything together. I also went ahead and poured some sardine in off camera. If you don't like it, you don't have to use it. Poured all of the Indomie season into a bowl, so that's what is going in the pot right now. And then from there we mix it together, add our Remie noodles and spaghetti. Now this is so good. You should get this from the African market. I also added some Kivo pepper because what is Indomie without pepper? Hey, shit. Over here we love pepper, so we added some Kivo pepper and we mixed it together. Ghanaian man will say, "When me here with it," which means your mouth suits you. So I went in with some corned beef. Over here, the premium enjoyment. What's it? Yeah, so we have to mix everything in together as well. I went ahead to garnish with more veggies. You could skip that part if you don't like veggies like that, but I love my veggies. Family, in all of this, I was frying sausages on the side. At this stage, the Indomie was ready. The aroma in my kitchen right now. Let me go ahead and serve myself. Because the way I was drooling, salivating, shit. I went ahead too and added my sausages that I had fried. And guys, I paired this with some malt. And that's a wrap on today's video. I hope you will try this at home. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends and loved ones. Bye. See you on another video.